Imagine walking through a dense forest, the air filled with the scent of fresh earth and the sound of birds chirping. Now picture a barren land, lifeless and dry. What makes the difference? Today we'll uncover the essential role of terrestrial ecosystems in the biosphere and their significance to all life forms. The word terrestrial comes from Latin and shares roots in Spanish, French, and Italian, all meaning land. A terrestrial ecosystem is simply a land-based environment where diverse forms of life interact, shaping the natural world. Terrestrial ecology is the study of land-based ecosystems, focusing on the relationships between organisms and their physical environment, soil, climate, and water availability. These interactions drive the balance of nature and sustain life as we know it. Why are these ecosystems critical? Let's explore the key ways they contribute to the health of our planet. First is climate regulation. Terrestrial ecosystems act as the Earth's lungs. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide, reducing greenhouse gases and releasing oxygen essential for life. Without them, global temperatures would rise dramatically. Biodiversity conservation. Imagine a world without forests or grasslands. Where would animals find shelter and food? Terrestrial ecosystems provide habitats for countless species, providing biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Third is nutrient cycling. Have you ever wondered what happened to fallen leaves? The composers break them down, recycling nutrients into the soil. This process supports plant growth and, in turn, sustains herbivores and predators. And then, soil formation and erosion prevention. So healthy soil is essential for food production. Vegetation stabilizes soil, preventing erosion and desertification, which can turn fertile lands into wastelands. And then water cycle regulations. A forest acts like a giant sponge, absorbing rainwater, filtering it, and replenishing groundwater sources. So this process helps prevent floods and droughts, ensuring a stable water supply. And then lastly, human livelihood and resources. From the oxygen we breathe to the food we eat, terrestrial ecosystems provide essential resources. They offer timber medicine and raw materials supporting economies and human well-being. Despite their importance, terrestrial ecosystems face increasing threats from human activities. Deforestation, pollution, and urban expansion disrupt these natural systems, leading to devastating consequences like habitat loss and climate change. But there's hope. First is sustainable forestry and agriculture. Responsible land management, reforestation, and sustainable farming practices can restore degraded ecosystems. Second is conservation efforts. Creating national parks and wildlife sanctuaries help protect biodiversity and preserve fragile habitats. Responsible resource management using eco-friendly products, reducing waste, and sustainable industries contribute to conservation efforts. Lastly, community and policy action. Strong environmental laws and local conservation initiatives play a crucial role in protecting these ecosystems for future generations. Terrestrial ecosystems are the backbone of life on Earth. They regulate our climate, sustaining biodiversity, and provide resources essential for human survival. Without them, our planet would be unrecognizable, deprived from forests, grasslands, and deserts that shape our world. It is our duty to safeguard these ecosystems for our future generations. By making sustainable choices and advocating for conservation, we ensure that life continues to thrive. Let us take action today, because protecting terrestrial ecosystems means protecting the very foundation of life itself.